What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. It's not even that late, bro, but it's super gloomy. I mean, that's like pretty much where it opens up. It looks so nice though. But I'm gonna do a little bit. I'm trying to get as much sunlight as I can before it gets, because when you film in the dark, dude, it's not the same. But I hope all you guys do good, man. Hope all you guys grinding out. Right now I'm driving in eco mode. Just kind of warming it up a little bit before I start setting it. Love this, dude. I love the way this thing looks, man. I've been seeing the new M5 in person. It looks good, but I don't know. Something about the front grille and then the way the side looks. Just I don't know. I feel there's more contrast going on. Like I feel like on the new M5 it's too slim here. I kind of like how there's more grooves. You know, kind of makes it stand out some more. But I mean, this is a perfect car, bro. Like getting the new M5, I mean, the price of it, dude. It's like really like. I mean, this one pretty much keeps up with it. Tune it, put a downpipe, exhaust. This thing's dude. It sounds the same. But the new M5 is definitely sick. But dude, I love this thing right here, man. I love how like I can turn off the valves and it still sounds so good. But these front intakes, game changer, bro. Game changer. But I hope you guys doing good, man. Weather right now is beautiful. Winter's coming by. It's pretty much fall time right now in Cali. So it's like right now it's POVs are gonna be even better, because I don't know why, dude, but POVs are like way better when it's like cold, dude. Everything just sounds better for some reason. So nice over here right now. Dude, that's the thing about Cali. The sunsets they're always so immaculate. But during the summer, dude, when it's like there's like no clouds, it's kind of, I don't know, it's brutal. Like definitely taxis here suck. It's sometimes it pushed me to like think about moving to Arizona and stuff, or like Nevada. But bro, it's so freaking hot over there, dude. I don't know if I can, bro. Like I like how there's like forests here. I can go to the snow 2 hours away, 3 hours away. I can go to the beach 2 hours away, 1 hour away, depending on traffic. It's like, bro, like it's definitely, the taxes definitely suck. But I mean, dude, that's the price you pay, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's the price you pay, whatever, man. At least the more taxes you pay, the more you can write off, so. Holy, this thing picks up speed quick. Bro, the whole sky's about to be freaking red, bro. 450, bro. Why the sunset's 450 right now? This is brutal. Like I still got the rest of the day to chill, but oh, this is so brutal. I don't know, man. I really hope they change the daylight savings thing, because I mean, I guess it's more fun when things are dark, but the only problem I have, bro, is like at 5 p.m. that's like prime time traffic, and when it's like in the dark too, it's kind of sucks sometimes. Because usually like nighttime back then, it's like there's no traffic, driving at night. But now it's like driving at night is like brutal. It's freaking just full of traffic. I hope you guys are grinding. I bought a new laptop for my employees, dude. I got like 4 of these, I think. And yeah, dude, these are actually pretty clean. I mean, these are obviously budget, but frick it. You know, this is perfect for like procedures. It's touchscreen. and everything. So I'm excited to get these things set up. But hopefully one day, you know, my goal is like to get like beefy everything. Actually, not even, bro. This is, I don't need to waste my money on this. One thing I will say, bro, the business is making me budget, bro. I budget so much right now. The reason why my budget's so heavy right now, dude, is like, first of all, I can't pay myself the full amount yet. All the money has to go back in. So like, you watch what you spend, because like you can't pay yourself fast enough to. Maybe like in the future, like my goal is like right now is like the waiting for invoices being paid has been backing me up so much. Even though we've been killing it, it's like this is a normal part of the game, you know. Oh my goodness. Like paying invoices is part of the game, obviously, and stuff like that. Like waiting for invoices, and that's why it takes like 2 years to get things really rolling, because those late invoices are going to be like that forever. So how do I compensate for that? That is keep grinding where the invoices that do get paid stack up, you know. So that's where I'm at right now. So it's been good, but it's been making me budget like freaking crazy. Like that's why you guys don't see me really spend much on the channel right now. Like last time I bought an exhaust was literally a year ago. But I wanna keep going. I wanna keep buying. I wanna keep modding cars. That's like my dream. Oh my gosh. The sky looks so good right now. Oh, man, you don't see this type of sunsets often, bro. I mean, you guys see me driving right now. It's never this crazy. Oh my gosh. Dude, the whole sky's freaking red. Yo, that's sick. Tap on the. Wait, what car just has? What the fudge? So yeah, man, business is cool, but business takes hella sacrifice. Like legit, dude, like the amount of money I made this year, like I paid myself, bro. I made more of my previous employer, but the growth this year, there's more growth, more opportunity. I mean, I have 4 employees, so just imagine, right? Like I'm paying all their expenses, I'm being generous with car allowance, with gas. So I'm not being cheap with them. That's my goal, is I don't want to be cheap. It pulls so nicely, like it's so smooth. If this was the Hellcat, bro, I'll be spinning at 60. Yeah, I'll be spinning this car at 60 right now. I hope everyone watching, man. We're pulling the same views for years, right? So I hope all you guys are doing good. There's like at least like 2,000 of you that watch pretty much every video, which is crazy, you know? Like obviously if you are pulling like, for me to pull 100K views, let's go back to the videos that did pull over 50K. I have to do exhausts, I gotta do intakes, I gotta do like custom stuff, you know? Which is like a huge expense because like right now I wanna build wealth, you know? I don't wanna just like buy stuff and then once my income gets cut off, I'm screwed. Like I wanna build assets right now. So that's why like for the next couple years before I go like supercar, at least till next year, I wanna get a supercar next year. But I want to be super smart with it too. I don't want to, you know, go full send and drop like 50K on like a new trans. Because if I ever get like an SV or SVJ, I would want to rebuild the engine just for the video and for fun. Because I was looking at some engine rebuilds. I work on $1 million machines. So, and when it comes down to precision, the machines I'm working on is what cuts. Dude, forget about the car industry. It cuts everything for aerospace. So everything that's like on a rocket, dude, everything that's on a rocket, everything that's on an airplane is literally cut with the machines I work on. And the tolerances on car engines, dude, are, dude, cake, bro. I'm excited to make my own, like, because there's a lot of manifolds I can make myself. They're basic. To make pistons, I don't know what goes into it because I was looking into it. It's not just like you cut a piece of metal, there's more to it. So I need to do more research. So, but like engine, engine blocks, it's a little bit tricky. If I was looking at it, a lot of them they use cast iron, so like they just put molten rockets out of mold and then they cut the rest. So I don't know what kind of ports I can cut, but if I could cut a whole engine block, dude, cutting a V12 engine block would be so freaking easy. I was looking at it, dude, you literally disassemble pretty much the whole engine block. That could be that is con a CNC machine, but like the complexity of it is the only thing that scares me. Like if there's ports that I don't know about that I can't machine, it has to be like molded, then I'm cooked. I don't know if I talked about it last video, but I'm getting 4 machines in the shop. So hopefully by the end of the year, it's already done. The deal's already done. It's just a matter of time because I have to pay for riggers and all that stuff. So I'm super excited for that. So that's it, bro. We already got the CNC machines and they're way better than Haas. Haas is good. Haas is cheaper, obviously, but like the more you pay, the better quality, obviously. Like there's really no like finessing in this industry. And so we'll see, you know, it's gonna be fun. I'm about to make making custom rims is so easy. So that's gonna be the easiest part. But I want to make some fat freaking rims. I want to make some fat rims on my, if I get an SVJ. Even on this one, I can easily make rims. Rims is like the easiest thing to make, dude. It's like the tolerances are not tight. Obviously you want the center to be perfect, which is even freaking, it doesn't even have to be that perfect. That's easy. So rims is like the easiest part. That's why most people use Haas's for them. And like, let's say I did do like a spin, like let's say I bought a Lamborghini that's crashed. I can CNC machine almost anything. And I have a welder. I have a water jet machine as well that's gonna be coming in. So dude, I have a whole setup like to pretty much make anything on the car. And then if I had a 3D printer, like a laser 3D printer, they're super expensive, but if I did, oh my gosh, I can make a freaking supercar, my own supercar with that. dude. There's opportunities. Everything costs money. I just need to make sure. I just want to make, like, what I want to do is make a return on my investment. You know, if I'm gonna do all these things to my, like, if I'm gonna use these machines, because I'm using them to obviously sell. I'm becoming a dealer. But if I can use to make some money on the side, you know, to pay off my car hobby, and then include my hobby into the business where I can make revenue, like, I mean, why not, bro? Why not? We gotta do it. I gotta make it happen. You know, everything when it comes to business, everything matters about revenue. If I spend this much, if I spend money on this, how does it affect my business? You know, how does it improve my business? So the goal is to literally use it to improve it. So if I make custom rims, I mean, that's gonna be sick. I mean, that's gonna be so sick. I could literally make my own design if I wanted to. Oh, bro, Man Street rims, easy. Obviously, I'll be doing that for myself. I wouldn't resell those. Actually, I wouldn't do it for myself. I don't know if there's like some kind of, if it's illegal to do, if I just scan. I mean, like Alex FX was like, he has a Bugatti that's crashed, and he was planning 3D print it. Bro, he can easily 3D print everything on that car, easily. And there's like metal 3D printers too that are super high quality. So it's like, dude, it's scary, the type of technology that's out there. Oh my goodness. I hope I recorded enough, man. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And dude, I'm excited for the future, bro. We're getting CNC machines, so we're gonna be able to do like most things on a car. Obviously, the ideal goal is to make my own engine. That's the ideal goal. But hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.